Did you know that 5 remote workers discovered the most terrifying thing about working from home isn't loneliness, but who might be watching? It started as a normal Tuesday morning video call. Sarah, Mike, Jessica, Tom, and Alex were discussing quarterly reports when Sarah noticed something odd. A shadow moved behind Mike's chair, but he was supposed to be alone. When she mentioned it, Mike laughed it off. Then Jessica saw a door slowly close in Tom's background. Tom insisted no one was there. Alex noticed lights flickering off in Jessica's hallway. One by one, they each spotted strange movements in everyone else's homes. The horror set in when they realized the timing was too perfect. Every shadow, every closing door, every flickering light happened at exactly the same moment across all 5 video feeds. Someone was coordinating this. As they watched in terror through their webcams, figures emerged from closets, basements, and spare rooms in each person's house. Strangers who had been living there for weeks, learning their routines, waiting for this moment. The call became their only lifeline as the intruders moved closer.